EZIO software tool applications and entry-level operations. The tutorial will illustrate how to use the software and configure the settings of channels for audio and LED lighting effects synchronization. EZIO software will be installed during the Sonics Integrated Development System software installation. Open EZIO under the directory of the IDS. EZIO is also accessed within the IDS from the pull-down Tools menu. Next, creating a new file, project. Choose an existing file or click the New File icon to create a new file. Onto an engineering settings box. IC setting. Choose the targeted voice IC series. Choose the SNC86P000S C-series for this demo. Choose the largest chip body, SNC86P960S. Audio file. Select the prepared.wav file to import onto the audio track. Sync time length. Refers to correlation settings between the time length of I/O signals and audio file. There are two options. Check free. There is no limit to the length of what an EZIO sequence can be drawn. Use this option to set the duration of the EZIO project. When there is no audio or signals yet drawn, keep tail signal beyond sync time length. Checked. After file playback ends, the I/O output will maintain the current state at the end. Unchecked. After file playback ends, the I/O output will be set low. Enable gamma correction. Checked. The LED color of the design is the same as the color displayed on the final product. The above options are all demonstrated with the default settings of the project. Click OK to enter Select I/O settings box. The left block shows all the I/O ports of this chip. Select the relevant I/O according to the design circuit. I/O active. Set the I/O as active high or low. Set drive or sync to active I/O. Servo motor setting. Refers to the servo motor settings supported by EZIO. Here you can set the motor activity angle range. The maximum range is 90 degrees to -90 degrees. Serial LED setting. Refers to the setting that drives an LED light string. If use serial LED string, click Add or Del to increase or decrease the number of LEDs on the string. After adding, you can set the number of RGB lights in the LED string. RGB order. The order of the RGB3 color signals. Illustration. Refers to the type and status of all I/O ports. A white grid represents normal output. Only two states of high and low current levels can be set. A yellow grid represents PWM I/O. Different PWM duty values can be set. A green grid represents a software PWM I/O channel. Enable indicates that the current project uses this I/O port. Disable indicates that the current project will not use this I/O port. This tutorial will demonstrate with one normal I/O port and 4 PWM I/O ports. After setting, click OK to enter the UI operation interface of EZIO. Selected I/O ports can be seen. The I/O ports correspond to different signal channels. Users can easily design sequences of I/O port functions synchronized to the added audio files that are displayed on the audio channel. That's all for this section. Thank you.